Blender has grown a lot since 1994. Yes, it's that old. Yeah, I also thought that it was like from 2010 or something like that, but no, it's from 1994. Well, look at the old UI. I could not use that. Way too much stuff on the screen at once. As the software grew in capabilities and functions, the community also grew, especially the tutorial market, I guess. Now, one of the perks of using Blender is the huge community built around it, from artists for inspiration to the one and only Blender Donut guy. If you use Blender, you have to have seen his videos. Who hasn't? Anyways, other than him, there are also other YouTube channels that I personally love, like Ian Hubert, with his short, lazy tutorials, and his films.
Activate our ping group. He does the nightmare thing. He's a little flat, so check the pressure. Check. Give him pressure. If his arms go through his head, break out children. Ideally next to a bus route. Don't forget the banners. Just sit back and look at him. Look at him. Just look at him. Just
Then
look at him.
there is the Southern Shoddy, with his clay-like animation style and very useful lighting and shading tutorials.
Yet joy didn't last. Recalling the old king's reign, fearing returning to old ways, with heavy hearts, they turned to leave amidst quiet goodbyes.
And then the last great pal is Smith. He talks more about the career and financial side of this job, but also does practical tutorials and portfolios.
If I sent my potential client something like this, you already know they're going to close that tab, block me, and get a restraining order.
Then there's me. I'm not that particularly skilled or talented, but here's some of my work. I'm learning just like you, but I do recommend supporting me by hitting the like button. But why should you learn Blender now? Well, if you want to do it as a hobby, there are lots of ways to do that, like sculpting, modeling, character animation,
Automatically rig it for you so that you can use their animations. It can work really well, but it's very automatic, so there is a chance that your model won't deform as you expect it to.
and creation. But if you want to do it more professionally, then you could offer those same services and more like VFX and product animation as a freelancer on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Or, like me, start a YouTube channel and talk more about my journey, your journey. You got the point, right? To do that though, the freelance stuff, you probably need a portfolio, which you can create using websites like Behance, a site to find freelancers or create portfolio, sadly owned by Adobe. Or create your own website, or use YouTube, Instagram or other platforms, but make it look professional to attract bigger, better, stronger, more powerful clients. But what do you need to start creating in Blender? Honestly, just a PC or Mac and a mouse and keyboard. But once you have started, some nice upgrades / add-ons could be a graphic tablet for sculpting, you don't need a screen, trust me, or a better CPU, GPU to render faster. So, have you decided to learn Blender or not? Let me know down in the comments. Bye and see you in the next video, I guess.